Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to reset the airbag light with VAG-COM or MaxCCs. We're using MaxCCs MS908P, which is based on VAG-COM. So VAG-COM will be very close procedure, guys. It will give you an idea. It won't be exactly the same, but it will be almost the same. Stay with us. We got that 2010 TDI Jetta MK5, but it will be the same for MK5, MK6, the whole generation. And we have an error airbag, and that happened after we replaced the window regulator. So we had to unhook the sensor, and now we'll go ahead and see if that's the only problem and if it's going to fix it and how to clear that light. Okay, stay with us. We're going to go hook up the computer now. Alright guys, we located the OBD port right there, so we just connected our computer, and now stay with us. We're going to go ahead and actually do the whole procedure with you. So we're going to go to MaxCCs. That's the one that works on almost any vehicle. Amazing software. And all we have to do now is you have to select Volkswagen there, and you can manually or automatically select your model. Sometimes the automatic selection will not work. You can go ahead actually and try to read the VIN number. And if it does, it's going to auto detect it, but we figured out that on some Volkswagens doesn't always work for some reason. Okay, and actually this is let me see, a Jetta. Okay, it will be Golf Jetta. It's not a wagon, it's a 5K. Okay, let me check the VIN number if it starts with 5K on this one. Okay, we'll go to Jetta right here, and now, well, actually 2010 model, we forgot. And now we need to select 2010. Okay, 4-door, and it's the 2.0 TDI diesel engine in our case. You might have gas, it's about the same procedure. We're gonna go to diagnosis, and now what we gotta do, we need to go to control unit and select airbag, which should be somewhere here. We have so many modules in that vehicle. Okay, let's see which one it could be. Or airbag number 15. So VAG-COM will be number 15 if you use the VCDS software. Let's check now. Trouble codes. Okay, let's see what is causing our problem. And we have lower voltage and side airbag crash sensor disconnected. That's the one that I was talking about. So if we go ahead and clear the codes, okay, let's see now what's gonna happen. No fault codes detected, and our airbag light went away. So okay, the only thing, we have a check side light now, and we need to reset actually the traction control and the tire sensor as well. But airbag light is gone. Okay, so if I go ahead and just turn the key on, the airbag light will be there, okay, and it'll go away once you start the vehicle. So that's good. That means we're good to go there. So that's the whole procedure for that, guys. We have many more videos, and we have a lot of videos, so check it out. It's in the playlist. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.